Good morning dear students and parents. Welcome to UKG drawing class. Today I am going to draw a few pictures and tell you all a few things about them. You need to listen very carefully and pay attention. Come, let's begin. Come, let's begin with the first picture. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, it is an elephant. Do you know what is an elephant? It is a huge animal. It has a long trunk. It trumpets. Its sound is called trumpets. So come, let's learn how to draw an elephant step by step. First, you will draw its face. Draw a curved line, go up, turn, again curve your line, come down. And now you will draw its trunk. See, this elephant has a nice long trunk. Then you will draw its eyes. And then its ears. Look at its ears, children. It has huge ears. An elephant has huge ears. Now we will draw its body. Its legs. See, come down, turn, go up. These are its toes. Now its tail. Wasn't that easy, children? You all need to practice drawing an elephant and you need to color it as it is in the colored picture. Moving on to the next picture now. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, it is a bird. Have you seen a bird, children? You can see birds flying around in the sky. You can also see them sitting on branches, on walls and on your rooftops. So come, let's learn how to draw a bird step by step. You need to take any object in a circular shape to draw its body. Place the object on your paper and trace out a semicircle. You need to take another smaller object to trace out its face. Place the object on your paper and trace out its face. Now you need to draw its eye, its beak and then its wing. Draw a curved line like this and then the upper part of its wing in curved lines. Another curved line in its stomach. Now I am drawing its legs. It has 2 legs. See, this bird is ready to fly. You need to practice drawing this bird. You can color it any color you wish. Moving on to the next picture now. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, very good. It is a little mouse. Have you seen a mouse, children? We can see it running around in our homes. It loves to nibble at food items and anything it gets. So come, let's learn how to draw a mouse step by step. First, we will draw its face. As you see, its face is in an oval shape. So I am drawing its face in an oval shape. This is its mouth, eyes, whiskers, its ears, and now its body. These are its legs. And now it's long tail. A mouse has a long tail. Wasn't this easy, children? You all need to practice drawing a mouse in your copy and color it any color you wish. Children, I am sure you all enjoyed these pictures. You need to practice them and color neatly. All these pictures will be uploaded on your school website every Saturday and Sunday. Parents, please help them to draw and color neatly. Thank you.